There are two ways to start using Microsoft Planner on Microsoft Teams. The first one is somebody can assign a task to you and the task or project will appear in your Microsoft Teams. Secondly, you can create your own planner if you are the project owner and then assign tasks to your team members. Let me show you on how these two methods work. I have two users in my imaginary company. The first one is the admin and the second one is test user. What happened is the admin have a project and will assign a task to the test user. Notice that there is no other group available other than the company's default group when the test user log in for the first time to Microsoft Teams. So let's take a look at the first method of getting a task in your planner under the Microsoft Teams app. Admin is going to log into Microsoft Planner web version by going to tasks.office.com. As the owner of project A, admin can add the test user to project as a member. And then logging in as the test user can see the project A appearing in Microsoft Teams. And by clicking at project A general, this tab project A task will appear automatically in the Microsoft Teams. From here, test user can add tasks and then can modify tasks. For example, let me try to add a new task, new test task B, right? And then assign to the test user. Okay, this is me logging in as the test user. Okay, and then assign to myself as the test user. And then from here, add that task. So new task B have been added and assigned to the test user. So by opening the new test task B, the test user can also change the bucket, can change the progress, for example in progress here, and then can set the due date, and then can also add notes. For example, this is a test notes. Yeah, and then close this task and then it will appear in the new task B, meaning it will be saved automatically in new test task B. Yeah, so by doing that, the other user in this case is the admin, right, can see a new task being created here in the console. So yeah, this is a test notes, right? New test task B just now, right? And then can be seen, yeah, the admin can see the tasks have been created recently. Yeah, all the changes is being tracked here, meaning to say the test user have all the permissions that he needs to create a task and then also edit the task as well, and this will also be available to other team members. So this is what you can do from Teams, Microsoft Teams, and it's quite everything, I would say, can be done from the Teams, since we have been using Teams already for chat and then calendar and all that, so might as well to track the task from the Teams. The only thing is the interface. Some would love to work in the task in Microsoft Teams, and some would like to work on the task from the web version, because from here you can see all your projects, whereas from Teams you can see the project by group, meaning project A, project B, and then you need to go through to the channel, specific channel, right? So you might have a lot of groups here, so you need to go through one by one of the channel to check where is the task tab, whereas from the web version it will straight away appear here. So all tasks only will appear here, and then it will be easier for you to browse through all your tasks.